Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Mailchimp for course newsletters, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Mailchimp website and following the sign-up process. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Audience to access your contact list. If you don't have an audience yet, you may need to create one. Click on Manage Audience and then choose Settings to configure your audience settings. Fill in the required fields such as audience name, default from email, and from name. Next, import your contacts by clicking on Add Contacts and selecting Import Contacts. You can upload a CSV file or connect to other platforms. Once your audience is set up, click on Campaigns in the left sidebar. Choose Create Campaign to start a new email newsletter. Select email as the campaign type. Give your campaign a descriptive name for future reference. In the To section, choose your audience or specific segments for the newsletter. In the From section, ensure the sender's name and email are correct. Proceed to the subject line and write an engaging title that reflects your course updates. Click on Design Email to choose a template for your newsletter. You can select from pre-designed templates or start with a blank layout. Customize the elements of your template, including text blocks, images, and buttons. Add your course news updates, ensuring they are clear and concise. Incorporate calls to action, such as registering for upcoming courses or accessing resources. Once satisfied with the design, click on Preview to check how the email looks on various devices. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. After finalizing the design, proceed to the Confirm stage to review all settings. Ensure your audience, subject line, and content are accurate. You can also schedule the newsletter for later or send it immediately. If scheduling, select the date and time for when you want your newsletter to be sent. After confirming, click Schedule or Send to dispatch your newsletter. After sending, you can track the performance of your email through the Reports section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.